Essay writing. Some important points to write a good essay are: 1. You must always stick to main idea of the essay and not wander onto unrelated points. Of course, sometimes a point that seems unrelated but may add a valuable turn to the main idea, then it should be included. 2. Again, the essay must have a definite beginning, middle, and end. Thoughts must be arranged in a definite, orderly manner. 3. As much as possible, write short, simple sentences. 4. You can include your own feelings and opinions about a particular topic. 5. To present the subject effectively, create a rough mind map or outline of the subject. Here, jot down the main points of the topics and arrange them into an orderly manner. These main points will be your paragraphs. After this, create subpoints within each main point. Now, these subpoints can be developed into the content of each paragraph. That sums up the key points of essay writing.